It's from Alipearl Hair. This is what the wig looks like. I have already gone ahead to co-wash it. I don't have to worry about no lace. I don't have to worry about no bleaching, no tinting, no gluing down of wigs. Super crazy. I'll try and style the hair. So I'm just going to apply some water just to get the top to lay, you know, flat. I literally feel like with this wig, you can just pop this on and get out of your house. You can easily just pop this wig on. It looks like you've just worn your normal lace front wig or whatever wig it is, and you've just popped a headband on in front of it. That's how it looks. Yeah, so now I'm going to try on the headbands that came with the wig and let's see how. Fully rock this wig and wear it. But I think I would just obviously try out different headbands, you know, just so I can feel more comfortable. I don't really like the headbands with the designs and stuff. I'm more of like a plain type of girl, like, you know, this is all a bit too much for me. So yeah, but I think this is really cute.